Hi, guys. I am the AfroGirl. Welcome to Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. Now, let's jump right into our very first story. Ghanaian musician Sefa has expressed her views on abortion and the hypocrisy surrounding it. Speaking in a recent interview, she shared that many individuals who publicly condemned the act have likely undergone abortions themselves, but remain silent about their experiences. Her comments emerged following the disclosure made by actress Yvonne Nelson in her memoir. When asked if she would personally disclose having an abortion, considering the disapproval it receives in the Ghanaian society, Sefa confidently stated that it would not be a big deal to her. And to be honest, I believe her 100%. Ghanaians are extremely hypocritical when it comes to subjects like these, but the more you talk about it, the more it's destigmatized. And because when you think about it, isn't it better for people to do it the right way, you know, in hospitals and all of that, instead of taking concoctions and using crude methods of removing the pregnancy? But then again, apparently abortion is illegal in Ghana, so there is that. Moving on, Kelvin Boy has expressed his desire to make music again with his former label boss, Stonebwoy. According to him, it's because he wants to sing with him again. He wants to have, you know, that feeling with him again. And he wants to clear people's thoughts, and also wants to make money, because he knows that when people see there's a song from him and Stonebwoy, they're going to rush and they're going to listen to it. So it's great business-wise. In case you missed it, Kelvin Boy joined Stonebwoy's record label, Benetton Music Group, in 2018. However, his contract with the label was terminated a year later after allegations of disrespect and ungratefulness. And I think Kelvin Boy and Stonebwoy record will be a banger. And I'm saying, let us know in the comment section. Moving on to our last story, legendary actor Chinedu Ike Diezi, aka Aki, has taken to Instagram to lament about the sorts of messages he receives from people begging on the app. He posted a video on his Instagram page urging his followers and the general public to stop begging in his DMs. And we have the video. It's a very serious one, but I find it funny. So let's see it.
Guys, at the vessel, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Guys, this thing is getting out of hand. This thing is getting out of hand. How can you people turn my DM to Bank of Industry? Huh? If I open my DM every time, oh God, bros, please. Jesus, it's too much. Please. The way you guys debate this in life, say, we don't get responsibility. If I start to share the money like that, guys, it will finish. Haba. Every now and then, whenever I open my DM, bros, I beg, my mother is this, bros, I beg, I need 40,000, bros, I beg. Imagine somebody was begging me for, I be $35,000. That's how much in Naira. Approximately 20-something million. Jesus. And that one was asking me for $12,000 that he wants to open a shop. Man, the problem is that it's not just Nigerians. I beg, I beg. You guys are making it look like we have this money packed somewhere and it's a must.
So yes, that is Aki for you, and he's saying that the money is not sitting somewhere just waiting to be used. Come on. And I'm just like, I'm sad for celebrities, my fellow celebrities. Hey, did I say fellow? Wow. Wow. But guys, that's how we wrap up MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Anything entertainment, anything lifestyle, we at MX24, we've got you. So follow us on all our social media pages at MX24GH. I'm out.